Today, I'm going to share with you 8 different mobile apps that will give you money today. Now, a lot of people don't know that they can make monies from their mobile phones. Right now, and even those of you that know that you can make money from your mobile phones, you just don't know where to go. Today, I have found 8 different apps that will pay you money. You see, my journey as a stay-at-home mom has been a long one. I will tell you the fact. I have gone into every nook and cranny to find money. Just because as a mom, you don't want to not have money. You always want to have even the tiniest bit of money. I have done every survey. I have gone to every app to find the littlest money that I can find. And some apps will pay me via PayPal. Other apps will pay me with Amazon cards. Other apps will pay me with gift cards. But it doesn't matter. I just needed that extra money that I can maybe use to make my hair or use to fix my nails, even though I don't fix my nails. Or I can use to just for anything, just little groceries. All right, so today I'm going to show you 8 apps that you can use. And I'm going to take you to my computer and show it to you on my computer, even though you use these apps on your phone. Okay, so the first on my list will be Evidation. Now, a lot of you don't know about Evidation. One thing I like about Evidation is how they will encourage you to go outside and be active. It says, get rewarded for healthy actions, earn points and redeem cash for actions like walking, sleeping, and more. So all you have to do is to download this app on your phone. Now, if you don't have a wristwatch, like a mobile tracker, that is okay. Okay, all you need to do is download this app on your phone and it will track your steps, it will track your sleeping, it will track all of that, and then you earn points. And after these points have accumulated, you can get a payout either by PayPal or you can get an Amazon gift card, and there are other options that you can get a payout for. How amazing is that, right? Your next Amazon purchase could be paid by the Evidation app. Now, the next one will be the Earn app. Now, the Earn app is amazing because this one, it says it is the easiest way to earn money online. The easiest way to earn money online is by joining Earn app referrals and offers. Send over friends from YouTube, Facebook, and other media channels to start earning money fast. So now, for example, these are the estimated earnings by Earn app. United States, $3 per install. So all you have to do is download the app, learn the app, and then the app is an amazing app. Now start to introduce it to your friends. Each person that you send it to, right, you get $3. So if you send it to 10 people, then you get $30. Okay, so now if that pays, I don't know, can that pay for your nails, or can that can definitely buy some groceries, right? So that is also an amazing way to earn. Now the next one will be Cash Stars. Now for people that like to play games, okay, you like to watch ads, maybe you don't even like to watch ads, this is another amazing way to make money. So here, when you sign up, you would be given tasks. Your task may be to watch a video, your task may be to play a game, your task may be to listen to a music, your task may be to just watch an ad or watch a video, and you get paid for that. So here it says, browse our never-ending list of tasks and make money by watching videos, playing games, completing offers, and more. Now, before I started making money online, all these apps have helped me purchase some little things for myself, and I can tell you legit. Now, before you download any of these apps, I want you to take your time to do the research, okay? So don't come and say, oh, you know what, it didn't work for me, or oh, you know what, this happened. Make sure you research it as much as you can, all right? The next one will be the Brand Club. Now, I can tell you with my full chest that I even still use Brand Club as of today. Okay, now what Brand Club does is that you will integrate it with the online stores that you use, for example, like Target, Walmart, Amazon. Right, when you sign up, you link it with those stores. Now, every time you purchase something, you get a percentage of it. It's just like an affiliate marketing back for yourself, right? You purchase something and then you get a percentage back. This particular one has given me about $20 in my PayPal account. And let me tell you, the day I got that payout, I needed that $20. So I use Brand Club and I still have it on my phone to date. All right. So Brand Club is amazing. just link your online sites to it. For everything you purchase, you get a percentage. For a brand club is amazing. So let me give you an example. For example, if you look over here and you see that if you purchase this, you get this. If you purchase this, you get $3.84, right? So when you go into the app, you see the things that you purchase, and then you get, it's just like getting a cashback reward. Now, the next one will be packet share. Now, what packet share does is that so let me read this for you, okay? It says, simply install packet share on your device and sign up for an account. No need to operate. You can make money by sharing the internet. So for all those of you that have unlimited data on your internet and you don't use all of it, right? You can sell it. I know that sounds crazy, right? You can sell your unused data. Now, when you sell your unused data, you get money back for it. So this is an amazing way to earn money, right? This is an amazing way to earn money. This is an amazing way to earn your next nails appointment. All right. Now, the next up will be Macadam. Now, I love Macadam. First of all, I love the graphics. I love the interface. I love everything about Macadam. Now, what Macadam does is Macadam pays you to walk, right? The more steps you take, the more Macadam pays you. And it's a win-win because you're healthy and you're getting paid for being healthy. I have Macadam on my phone myself, not just because of the money, but because I need encouragement to stay healthy. Okay, so Macadam is amazing, and you can see every step pays. Let's go outside. I love the fact that it encourages us to walk, to be healthy, right? Now, the next up will be Honeygain. Spread the joy of passive income with Honeygain. Turn your internet into extra cash this holiday. Simply install the app and let it run. So Honeygain is also an internet data sharing app, okay? And also another thing I love about Honeygain is that when you invite your friends, you get referrals, all right? You get $5 every time the progress to the $20 payout threshold. It's just $20. Now, when the friend you invite gets to the $20 threshold, you get $5 by yourself as well. Now, the next one will be Generate. Generate is an app that allows you to share your data. So your browsing data, right? The things that already the internet stores, right? Generate allows you to make money from it. So all you have to do with this one, right, is you have to download the extension on your browser. Now, this one is not a mobile app, right? But it's you generate money, right, by sharing your data. But as you share your data, as you share your browsing history and all of that, if you're comfortable with it, you get paid for doing that. All right, guys, if you found this video helpful as usual, kindly hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Have an amazing day. My name is thetobyrich. Ciao, ciao.